So what is this beautiful conversation that Krishna is having with the gopis, with Vishwanath is seeing in the inner reaches of his samadhi, his Lila samadhi. And he says, the gopis began searching for Krishna here and there, but not finding Krishna. The gopis' agony of separation increases more and more. Then there's one temporary emotion, it's called transcendental emotion. It moves. Because it moves a little bit here and there, it's called sanchari. Chari means to move, and san means in different ways. Sanchari or vyabhachari. So the sanchari of unmad, divine madness, which appears in the gopis' minds and hearts due to their intense separation from Krishna. This is described in verse 2 of this chapter and verse 3. First, Krishna, Ramapate, the master of all beauty, he approaches the gopis with natural... So this is what he sees. The gopis are actually, the Bhagavatam says the gopis are all alone in this chapter. Vishwanath says, no, they're not alone. Krishna approaches them. Krishna approaches them with the natural movements of his feet. Coming before the gopis, Krishna shows his affectionate, gentle smiles and glances. So the verse of Shukadeva is saying the gopis are remembering his affectionate glances and smiles. Anuraga smita, and Anuraga ikshita. But Vishnu says they're not remembering, they're seeing. They're seeing directly. Saksha darshan. And they're not just remembering his talk, they're going to speak to him. Interesting angle. Talk about present tense.